Hey everyone, welcome back! In today's video, we've picked 15 of the best hand gardening tools to help make your gardening easier and more enjoyable. We know every gardener has different needs, whether you're just starting out or you're a pro. There are tons of tools out there, but today we're focusing on smaller hand tools that are perfect for tasks like planting, pruning, and weeding. These tools are great for all types of gardening, whether you're working in a small garden, raised beds, or pots. Stick around to find the right tool for you. At number 15, SONGZIMING 15-piece Succulent Plant Tool Set. Starting off with something. Perfect for all you plant lovers out there, especially those who enjoy succulents or bonsais. The SONGZIMING 15-piece Succulent Plant Tool Set is super handy. It's got mini tools like little rakes, scoops, and brushes that help you carefully tend to your tiny plants. These tools are great for working with small pots or delicate plants, where you need that extra precision. They even come in a neat carrying case to keep everything organized. If you're looking to get into indoor gardening, this is a must-have. At number 14, Radius Garden 102 Ergonomic Hand Trowel. Next up, if you want to save your wrists from the strain of digging, the Radius Garden 102 Ergonomic Hand Trowel is going to be a game changer. The handle is designed to fit comfortably in your hand, reducing stress on your wrists while you dig. The blade is made of rust-resistant aluminum, so it's built to last. Whether you're planting flowers, digging holes for new veggies, or scooping soil for pots, this tool makes everything just a little bit easier. At number 13, Edward Tools Hand Cultivator. If you're dealing with compacted soil or need to break up some tough dirt, the Edward Tools Hand Cultivator is a solid choice. It's got sharp, curved tines that help loosen soil and pull out weeds with minimal effort. It's perfect for raised beds or those small garden areas where you need more control. It doesn't matter if you're working in tight spaces or around delicate plants. This tool will get the job done without damaging your garden. At number 12, Fiskars Micro-Tip Pruning Snips. Let's talk about pruning. If you love growing herbs or keeping your flowers neat and tidy, you need the Fiskars Micro-Tip Pruning Snips. These snips are super sharp and make precise cuts every time. The micro-tip blade helps you trim plants without crushing or damaging them, which is crucial for promoting healthy growth. They're also spring-loaded, so you don't have to worry about hand fatigue during longer sessions. Perfect for when you need to give your plants a little shape or trim. At number 11, Grandpa's Weeder, the original stand-up weed, polar weeding. No one really enjoys it, right? But Grandpa's Weeder might just change that. This clever tool lets you remove weeds without having to bend over or kneel, which is a huge win if you've got back problems or just don't want to spend the day crouched down in the dirt. You just push it into the ground, twist, and pull, and the weed comes right out, root and all. If you've been struggling with weeding, this is a lifesaver. At number 10, Nisaku NJP65D Hori Hori Knife Now. If you're looking for something versatile, the Nisaku Hori Hori knife is one of those tools you didn't know you needed. This Japanese knife can do a little bit of everything. Dig, cut, saw, even measure planting depth. It's perfect for dividing plants, removing deep weeds, or even slicing open bags of soil. If you're a minimalist gardener, you'll love how many tasks you can tackle with just one tool. At number 9, Felco F2 Classic Manual Hand Pruners. For all you pruning enthusiasts, Felco F2 Classic Manual Hand Pruners are a must. These pruners are top-notch, known for their durability and sharpness. They can easily cut through branches up to an inch thick, so they're perfect for trimming back shrubs, fruit trees, or even vines. They're comfortable to hold, and the blades stay sharp for a long time. Plus, with replaceable parts, you can keep them working like new for years. They're the kind of pruners you'll use over and over again. At number 8, Corona Comfort GL Stainless Steel Trowel. If you want something that feels great in your hand, the Corona Comfort GL Stainless Steel Trowel is a solid pick. The soft, gel-padded handle makes it super comfortable, even during longer gardening sessions. The stainless steel blade is tough enough to handle digging, scooping, or transplanting without any issues. If you're planting new flowers or working with containers, this trowel is built to get the job done with ease and comfort. At number 7, Fiskars Bypass Lopper, 28-inch. When it's time to tackle those thicker branches or overgrown bushes, you'll need something with a little more power. Enter the Fiskars Bypass Lopper. With its long handles, you get extra reach and leverage, making it easier to cut through branches up to 1.5 inches thick. It's perfect for trimming back shrubs or trees without having to drag out the big saw. Plus, the bypass design ensures a clean cut, which is better for your plants in the long run. At number 6, Pine Tree Tools, Bamboo Garden, Gloves. Before you dive into any gardening task, you're going to need a good pair of gloves and the pine tree tools. Bamboo garden gloves are perfect for the job. These gloves fit like a second skin, offering flexibility and breathability while still protecting your hands from dirt and sharp thorns. Bamboo fabric is naturally odor resistant, so your gloves stay fresh even after a full day of work. They're machine washable too, so you can keep them looking new season after season. At number 5, Remy 9-piece garden tools. Set with tote for those of you just getting started or looking for an all-in-one gardening kit. The Remy 9-piece garden tools set is a great pick. This set includes everything you need: a trowel, pruners, gloves, and a handy tote to keep it all organized. The tools are lightweight but still durable enough for regular use, making them ideal for beginners or anyone who wants a compact set without spending too much. The tote bag is a nice touch, making it easy to carry your tools around the garden. At number 4, Ames Hand Weeder with Erggo Gel Grip. When it comes to weeding, comfort is key, and that's where the Ames Hand Weeder with Erggo Gel Grip comes in. This tool has a sharp V-shaped blade that helps you dig deep and pull weeds by the root. The gel grip handle makes it easy to hold without straining your hands, even after using it for a while. It's perfect for smaller garden spaces or container gardening, and it'll make weeding so much less of a chore. At number 3, Garden Guru Stainless Steel Transplanter. For precise planting and transplanting, the Garden Guru Stainless Steel Transplanter is an awesome tool to have. It has etched measurement marks on the blade, so you can make sure your holes are the right depth every time. Whether you're moving seedlings or planting bulbs, this tool ensures that everything is spaced correctly. Plus, the stainless steel construction means it's built to last, even through tough digging. At number 2, Gonic Professional Bypass. Pruning shears. These Gonic Professional Bypass pruning shears are a fantastic alternative to more expensive models. They're sharp, durable, and easy to use. Whether you're trimming shrubs or cutting back roses, these shears make clean cuts every time. The ergonomic handles reduce hand strain, and they're lightweight enough for extended use. Plus, the safety lock keeps the blades secure when you're not using them. At number 1, Wilcox AllPro 14-inch stainless steel garden trowel. Finally, at number 1, we have the Wilcox AllPro 14-inch stainless steel garden trowel. If you're looking for a tool that's tough, reliable, and built to last, this is it. The long, sturdy blade digs deep into the soil, while the steel construction means it can handle any tough digging job. Whether you're planting, transplanting, or scooping soil, this trowel feels like an extension of your hand. It's the kind of tool that's built to last through years of gardening. And that's a wrap. These 15 tools cover just about every gardening need you'll run into, from planting and pruning to weeding and everything in between. Let me know which one you're excited to try out.